lotions from Arm & Hammer, some Swai fabric softener, OxyClean, because they are all out of game, everything in that store. But I don't mind using the Arm & Hammer. My daughters like to put this on their carpet. I got that. Also got this Purex from there. And I got some cups, some healthy cups, because we needed cups. Now from Food Lion, I got the Kraft Sharp Macaroni, Sharp Cheddar. Some smoked turkey wings. This will be either for the greens or the black-eyed peas. I do have some smoked hocks as well. I said hocks. Raw shrimp, romaine lettuce, smoked sausage, 2 green pepper, the Sara strawberry cheesecake, 2 tomatoes, 1 cucumber, Tropicana pineapple mango, Tropicana watermelon, some General Soy sauce, Thai style sweet chili sauce, some pad Thai paste, eggs because we were out of eggs. I got this from Dollar General. Vegetable broth, beef broth, chicken stock, chips. I bought these to take to work in case it's a day I need a snack. I'm gonna take some crackers and leave there, so in case I need to eat on something. So hopefully they taste good. Hi everybody, it's me, Crystal. It is New Year's Eve. I am out here in our garage to come to the deep freezer to get our fish out. We're having fried fish for dinner, fried shrimp. I do have 1 bag of fresh collard greens left that we froze, so I'm thinking of cooking those with some smoked turkey. I have my black-eyed peas soaking. You can't usher in the new year without your fresh black-eyed peas, or out the can if you choose. Thinking about doing a side salad as well. My one daughter has been begging for baked beans, so I do have 1 can of baked beans or 2, so I'm gonna cook those just so she can be quiet. But yeah, so come along with us while we get our New Year's Eve dinner cooking. I love how my husband put this on wheels so I can wheel it out. We just really don't pay attention to the black shit on there. The magnets. So we just wheel it out. See what we got in here. Cookies. Such a task coming out here. And what I like about the way my husband fries fish, he actually cuts them up into smaller pieces, so you're not just sitting there eating a big ass piece of fish. That should be about enough for us out here. And he actually fries the fish out here in the garage. That way our house doesn't smell like fish for 40 days and 40 nights. And yes, I'm going to be wearing this hat. My kids keep laughing at me, but I don't care. I got some Cleo Set It Off braids under here. Miss Sealy braids, so no, I will not be taking this off. this is how we do ours here. I'm gonna pull all the tails off. They did not have any large shrimp. Like, it's crazy. It seems like the grocery store doesn't have a lot of items these days. And I'm not one to run to this store and that store unless I really need it. So while this stuff thaws out, I'm gonna start putting some of the stuff away. But let me show you all my pantry. Don't judge me on this pantry. We are actually going to be getting that pantry together. We went to the Container Store the other day and we brought the Alpha system to go over the door. So this will be my 4th time, I think, cleaning up the pantry. The last thing we had hanging over the door, it just wasn't sturdy enough. So we're hoping that this works better. But I'm gonna show y'all this pantry. And honey, it is not good. I can't wait to get it done. Trying to talk my husband into building some wooden shelves in there and painting them white, because I think it'll be sturdier and we could extend it a little further and it'll give us more room, but he said he ain't doing all that. But I'm gonna show you guys. I picked up some things from the Container Store and from Home Goods to go in here. I do need to get a lot more things, but let me show y'all. Are you ready? A disaster. And it just keeps on going. And it just keeps on going. And this is how we buy double of things, because we think we don't have it, but we actually do. But yeah, this is what we got going on in here. So we will be getting the other system and hang it up here. We have the things left up there from the last system that didn't hold it. The other one just kept swinging back and forth. It wouldn't stay put. We put the command strips on, still didn't help. But yeah, look at this. This is just disgusting. Yep. Gotta get it together, Chris. 2022, better you. We only have a little bit of greens, so I'm not even going to be using a big pot.
Yeah, it's only a little bit in there.
Yeah, it's only a little tiny bit in there.
It ain't even that much in there.
turkey for the greens. I added the chicken broth stock to this 4 cups. I'll bring that to a boil and then I'll add my meat. Anyway, my husband decided that he wanted to smoke hocks with his instead of the turkey. So I added the 1 piece of turkey and the 2 hocks. They had the package labeled as next, but it's really hocks. So once that boils a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead and add the baked beans. And once again, this is the recipe by Smokin and Grillin with AB. And the greens, we have a little bag. No, we wish we had more, but we don't. I'm gonna dig and take the rest out of the bag so we don't let none of this go in. I'm gonna add the black eyed peas to this pot. Here they are. I'll show you what they look like in the pot. This is such a little bit of greenness that I'm gonna have to make the salad probably. Or maybe I'll just do the baked beans.
I'm gonna ask you.
Beans going. Got them on low. Put the baked beans right there. Got the beans cooking down somewhere. They're actually done, but I added some more stock to it. Let that cook down. Got that over here. You need a cutting board? Dad's over here cutting up the fish. Got a little bit of mustard on it so that we can mix it with the breading. So he's cutting up the fish.
You're not seasoning it?
What?
You're not putting no seasoning on it?
I know you ain't trying to play daddy about his fish, baby.
No, we don't
We don't do that. We good. The breading is good already, honey.
We don't do that.
Oh, what's
These are my pieces.
You see them when you get it.
You ain't been complaining.
Exactly.
You're not seasoning it? You're really not putting no seasoning on it.
You really don't want us to meet them?
For what?
Tells you what she thinks of us, baby.
No, I'm asking for what though?
Why? To me?
No, I'm asking for what? Like,
For what?
For what?
So I see what my daughter's dealing with.
I'm not dealing with anybody.
Well, why you eat with her?
I'm just getting to know the person.
All right, okay, well, when you get to know them a little better.
Right, my husband's in the garage to fry the fish. Let's go check him out. Got the TV on. Ooh.
Hot. On the spot.
And business, you need me to get you a bowl to put it in?
Not yet.
My husband is out here jamming and frying fish.
Said you must be got me sweating like a dancer, baby. I stumbled up on a perfect lady. This is not supposed to happen, brother. You've been hurt too many times before.
I'm about to go back out to this garage because I sampled the shrimp and it was delicious. And I'm hungry. Here we go. Uh-oh, hop along, Cassidy. You good?
No, we trying to go out there and get no fish.
How you know me? Hurry up. I just... Look at that. Oh, that looks so good. Digging and fix my food.
dinner time. I said it's dinner time. It's dinner time.
Happy New Year.
Two different kind of beans.